Good day, sir. Now, I'm going to memorize the parts of M16. Battle plate, the stock, safety, pistol grip, trigger guard, trigger, the magazine, barrel, extension, handguard cap, slip ring, then barrel nut, the muzzle, then flash suppressor, the front sight, the barrel, handguard liner, then this is the breech, then the bolt, the carrying handle, then the rear sight or receiver sight, then this is the receiver, the cocking piece, then the cam. Next is the revolver. So we have the front sight, the barrel, the cylinder, rear sight, the hammer, cylinder release, then the grip, the back strap, and the trigger guard, the trigger, the ejection rod, and the muzzle. Next is the shotgun. So this is the recoil pad, the stock, the trigger, then magazine loading port, the fore end, the front sight, and the barrel, magazine, the ejection rod, and the receiver. Next is the caliber 45. So this is the muzzle, the front sight, the barrel, slide stop, the slide, rear sight, the safety lever, the hammer, then back strap, the grip panel, lanyard loop, magazine, the front strap, magazine release, the trigger guard, the takedown lever.